I am Kenneth D. Gayoso, and I'm going to show you the different kind of glassware and chinaware. Tom Collins, 12 ounce 360 ml, used for long drinks, juices and mixers, are added to spirit for iced tea and shakes. White wine glass, 6 ounce 180 ml, used for white wine. Flute, 6 ounce 180 ml, used for all sparkling wines and champagne. Water goblet, 8 to 10 ounce 300 ml, used for chilled water served at the table. Dinner plate, 10 inches to 25 centimeter in diameter. Fish plate, 8 inches to 20 centimeter in diameter. Fish plate, 8 inches to 20 centimeter in diameter. Soup bowl, without handles, with saucer, 240 ml. Cup and saucer, 180 ml. Coffee cup and saucer, used in serving hot coffee drink. Cereal bowl, 350 ml, used for cereals. Nut bowl, 50 ml, used for nuts. Soy dish, used for soy sauce, fish sauce, dips and other sauces. Teapot, used as a container for hot coffee or tea.